It's Mr. Can't Stop Reggie. I know you're looking for the right contractor to hire for your next job. Go and check out some of these videos of some of the work we did. I'll be here to do you next. All right, man. Oh, my hand is all in front of the camera, so y'all, we out here at this property. I'm finna get ready to do a clean out here. We did one for T before, and it wasn't. Dude had urine and all types of stuff up there. So that's that. I'm gonna turn the camera around right quick so y'all can see. This you got Reggie Can't Stop. Let's look at flip this camera around. All right, so see how this. This is everything here. And then you got, like I say, let's see. Look at all this, man. Yeah. Hey, you got keys? Yeah. And somebody might be standing there, so they knocked the window out. They knocked the window out. And they got this here. All over here, so. We're gonna get this out the way and then I'll show y'all as we go in the house. All right, so the sheriff's done getting ready to go up there. Again, they gotta go in first, check it, make sure that everything is clear. Well, they got some block behind it?
No, you got no drill? Drill the lock out, you got no drill?
I got the drill in the truck, but I ain't got no bits. Yeah.
You go up that window right there.
Yeah, the window's open.
There's a window right there open. I'm trying to see the window.
Hey, look, I climbed the...
Oh. Yeah, that be secure for real.
Pull out. Somebody in there?
God, they put the block up over.
She had a screen door on it.
She making sure nobody come in unless she want them in there.
Hey, you got a screen door on the window with a deadbolt. That's a good idea. I guess your windows closed up.
Oh, funny. Said with the window being when you said the window open, like who gonna crawl through the window?
I crawled through the window. I ain't scared. I done did this shit my whole life.
I know you would go through A-Town, but you gotta make sure ain't nobody in there. You don't know how nobody could react, especially when people getting kicked out.
Top of folks before doing the eviction.
You don't know how folks react when they get somebody putting them out, man. People got.
They reacted for you. I done told the folks out on the couch. They didn't want to leave. We done told them out on the couch.
They got that. Is that up and they screwed it into the wall, that metal frame?
You got a hammer?
D.
Yeah,
Look on the back. It's gonna either be a hammer right there in the corner of the truck on the wall. Oh, I got a sled. Yeah, get that one. That one will definitely work. Yeah. H-Town, give him that. They put something behind it though?
I need something to,
All right. The sheriff said the hell. Yeah, right there. Okay. Yep. Just throw it in the street. Yep.
You got the door.
Hey, the sheriff said the hell with that. We ain't finna go in there. Y'all can just throw it out. Ooh. Oh. D, pass me my the little thing on that I use for my tripod. Yeah, and then the other little piece. Yeah, both of them. You can't stop.
Can't stop it. 'Cause you can't stop it. 'Cause you can't